Hey there, this is Vic again, and I want to show you a very cheap modification that I did to my Sears Red Craftsman Motorcycle jack. That was about $100. As you can see, all I did was move the pads to the outside of the frame. I used 5.5 inch long by 1/2 inch bolts, and I did have to remount the holes a little bit because the OEM bolts were about 12 millimeter. So I actually put stronger bolts in there, and then it works out pretty well. Now, in stock form, there was a bar in between those two black lift pads. Sorry about this, I got a stuffy nose. It's the cold weather. Anyway, all I did was cut out the bar, and I could make the pieces individual instead of having them together. So now I'm going to show you that you don't need those Harley-Davidson lift adapters, and you don't need to roll your bike up on a 2x4 anymore, and you don't need to go out and spend $400 or $500 on a jack. Alright, here you go. All you do is line it up, get a grip on it, and the bike rolls right back onto the jack. And it's sturdy. Now, obviously I wouldn't go standing on it. If you're going to move it, be careful. Definitely if you're going to be moving it around, I would strap the bike down. There you go. No Harley lift adapters, no 2x4s. A $10 modification makes this jack actually useful now. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it helps you out. It makes jacking your bike up a little bit easier. And comment on the video if you like it.